Match the vocabulary words with their correct definitions. Column A, 1, motivation. 2, instincts. 3, need. 4, drive. 5, homeostasis. Column B, a state of tension produced by a need that motivates an organism toward a goal. B, innate tendencies that determine behavior. C, an internal state that activates behavior and directs it toward a goal. D, the tendency of all organisms to create imbalance and deviations from their normal state. E, biological or psychological requirement of an organism. According to this theory, people and animals are born to act in certain ways. A, instinct theory. B, drive reduction theory. C, humanistic theory. According to this theory, our bodies act just like thermostats and work to keep up in a state of homeostasis. A, drive reduction theory. B, humanistic theory. C, sociocultural theory. True or false? We have both physiological and psychological needs. True, false. The idea that we are motivated by our desire for external rewards is known as A, instinct theory. B, sociocultural theory. C, incentive theory. And then what is the difference between extrinsic and intrinsic motivation? You may use the audio option to record your answer.